Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you my HBX ratchet. I've done, you could say, a couple of mods to it. The motor and ESC burnt out, so I decided to make it brushless. This motor's quite cheap, it's not a very expensive one. It comes with a Dean's connector, comes with the ESC as well. So let's connect the battery and see how well it does. I'm also using this cheap 2-channel 2.4 gigahertz controller. It's quite a good one. I picked it up from my local model shop, and it comes with this digital receiver. It's quite a good one. So yeah, let's turn on the remote and fire it up. I'm still waiting on a pinion. We've got the servo mounted. It's a Tower Pro servo, which is quite nice. It's alright for the money. It's £5 off of eBay. Got double wishbone suspension at the front. I'm just running it off of this WL Toys A959B battery. It doesn't fit in the dedicated battery compartment because it's huge, and yeah, all round it's quite a good car. As you can hear, I don't have a pinion in there because that's me doing full throttle. So let's turn that off and take out the battery. The battery's quite hard to take out. But yeah, it's got nice suspension. Everything barely fits in here. I want to put bigger wheels on this in future, so I just cut these mud guards off. But yeah, it's quite a good car. I've taken off the top panel, roof panel, just because I thought it looked a bit cooler without it. And yeah, so when everything arrives and I've put it, I'll have a video of me putting it together and stuff. There's a video coming on Friday, hopefully, because I have just ordered the FTX Mala, whatever, and it's £160 free shipping from eBay. It's quite a good truck by looking at YouTube videos. Said it will arrive on the Friday, so we'll see if it does. If it doesn't, then I guess I won't be making a video on Friday. But I'm pretty confident it will arrive, so hopefully it will. Right guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully see you on Friday. Bye.